Ever feel like your Google Slides presentation looks a little plain? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give your slides an instant makeover by changing their backgrounds. A well-chosen background can make your presentation look more polished, professional, and visually appealing, whether it's for school, work, or personal projects. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Slides. You can type Google Slides in your search bar or go straight to docs.google.com/presentation. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so your work is saved automatically and accessible anywhere. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see all your existing presentations. To start fresh, click Blank Presentation. If you want a head start, pick one of Google's ready-made templates. They come with pre-designed layouts and can save you time. With your presentation open, choose the slide you want to customize from the thumbnails on the left. Then, go to the top toolbar and click the Background button. A small window will pop up, giving you two main options, a solid color or an image. If you pick a color, simply select one from the palette to match your theme. If you choose an image, click Choose Image to upload from your computer, Google Drive, or search online. Once you've selected your background, click Done, and your slide will instantly update. Repeat this process for other slides to give your presentation a consistent professional look. Play around with colors and images until everything feels balanced and visually appealing. And that's it. Changing backgrounds in Google Slides is fast, easy, and makes a huge difference in how your slides look. Experiment with different styles, and your presentations will instantly feel more engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.